Hello everyone. When creating a Flutter application, you will get banner like this at the top right. We want to remove that banner from our application. It's a simple thing. Go to your main.dart file inside the lib folder and identify the material app widget. Then add a parameter inside that debug show check mode banner and give it value to false. When I save the app, you can see that banner is disappear. That was it. To see more content like this, you can subscribe our channel. If you find this video helpful, please hit thumbs up, comment below and share with your friends. Also, if you have any problem, you can comment below. I will reply as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.